Pinguin. Penguin. Penguins include aves, fowl, compatriots with birds. They lay eggs, do not have ears, have beaks, wings, but penguins cannot fly but are good at swimming and function their wings like fins when fish swim. Big. Duck. Ducks are a type of bird that lives in water, especially in shallow waters. The special characteristics of ducks include having a long and wide beak. Its beak is used to find food in shallow water. Burung. Bird. Birds are a type of poultry. Birds have the same characteristics as other poultry animals. The characteristics of birds are the surface of the skin is covered with feathers, has a beak, has a pair of lungs, a pair of legs, and a pair of wings. Ayam. Chicken. Chickens are classified as a group of birds or a type of bird, so their bodies are covered with feathers. Chickens have the characteristics of having 2 legs, beaks and breathing with lungs, reproduction by laying eggs.